Hi, it's Christine doing a review for Whole Earth Stevia and Monkfruit plant-based sweetener. I like that this sweetener is non-GMO, it's zero sugar and keto friendly. I like that they made this for people who want to reduce their sugar intake or are diabetics. I like that the sweetener is kosher and that it has many different uses. I like that these come in individual little packets, so if you want, you could just bring them in your purse or in your pocket with you. I like that each packet is pre-measured, so it's roughly about 1 teaspoon each. I like that they have sugar-like texture. It's fine and loose like real sugar. I like that each packet is easy to tear open. Here I'll demonstrate on tearing open a packet for my tea. I like that the sweetener is free-flowing without any lumps. I also like that the sweetener dissolves easily into your liquids without any grainy residuals. I would definitely recommend this sweetener.